Wagwan, what a guan. It's your girl Tash. To all my subscribers, big up on yourself. You don't know, up. If you're not yet a subscriber, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button at the end of this video. A big, massive shout out to all my clients who traveled from north, south, east, and west of the United Kingdom to start their hair growth journey with me, and to all my clients who traveled from other countries to start their hair growth journey with me. Big up on yourself. One love. Sitting in my chair right now is one of my loyal client, Tom. Tom started his hair growth journey with me roughly around 4 months ago with less than 1 centimeter length of hair, and now we're looking at 3 inches plus of hair growth. Up. Big up yourself, Tom. One love. Ladies, Tom is also a personal fitness trainer. So listen, I'm going to leave his details in the description box below so you guys can go and check out his business. So in this video, I'll be showing you guys how I achieve only 9 braids on short hair like this, going down to the sides like the pop smoke braids. So my technique is to always start from the center of the head. So I'll first make a straight line to part the hair into 2 sections, and I'll try to make these sections as equal as possible so everything will look nice and neat on one level. You see it? So guys, at the end of this video, please comment your thoughts, and even if we don't have nothing good to say, I still would like to hear your thoughts on this tutorial. And this client's hair is a 4C texture hair, but the level of shrinkage is up to 75%, which is quite a lot of shrinkage. Guys, please note that 4C texture represents the tightness of the curls and is one of the hardest hair texture to maintain depending on the levels of shrinkage. So each 4C texture here has a different level of shrinkage, and this client has up to 75% shrinkage, which is quite a lot of shrinkage. It's important to understand your hair texture so that you know what products to use and also how to manage your hair daily. Guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips on the different types of hair and how to maintain them. For those of you who don't know who I am a short hair braider located in London, United Kingdom, and you can find my contact details in the description box below. On this channel, you'll find videos of different clients with different hair textures, and I'll be posting updates on some of my clients and their hair growth journeys. So please subscribe and turn your notifications on so you don't miss out on a thing. Also, please don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and whatever other platform on the see me pan. Just follow me and support the thing. Up. bye.